Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2013 on a 63 plate Volkswagen Beetle Design. This is the 1.4 turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 3 doors finished in tornado red, and it's covered 52,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this really cool looking Beetle. September 2013 registered, just 52,000 miles. 2 former keepers. We've just taken the car in part exchange from a local couple who've owned the car since 2016, so for the last 8 years or so. They've just bought an automatic from us. So this was the part exchange, and it's a nice one. Got these really good looking 17-inch alloy wheels. Very striking looking, obviously, the Beetle. Loads of service history throughout its life. We've got 6 recorded. We serviced the car last year. We've also very recently fitted a new water pump and auxiliary belt as well, and that was before the car came in Part X. So really well maintained throughout. 160 brake horsepower, or 158 to be exact, so it goes really nicely. Sensible fuel consumption, 40 odd to the gallon on a combined run. £255 for 12 months road tax. Just something a little bit different for you. Looks great in the tornado red. And then as we have a look inside, nice and clean and tidy. Seats in good condition, no rips or tears or any nasties on the bolsters. Remote central locking. Does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Door cards are in good shape. You've got electric front windows, electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. It's got its original carpet mats which run throughout. Then quite a striking looking dashboard. Steering wheel's in really good shape. You've got controls for your trip computer. You've got your Bluetooth and your radio controls. Centre armrest, couple of cup holders, manual handbrake. 6-speed manual gearbox, and then down below we've got some grippy storage, auxiliary input, 12-volt socket. Very straightforward layout actually, to be honest. Very Volkswagen, very easy to use. Radio CD, has got DAB digital radio. You've got Bluetooth for your telephone. All comes up, it can be a touchscreen system. And then down below, air conditioning, really straightforward. You've got this cool little dual glove box with the red dashboard, all your handbooks, locking wheel nut key and so on. Bit of storage at the top. Nice place to be. Very Volkswagen, but slightly different. Obviously it's a 3-door car, so the rear seats fold forward and into the back. Again, you've got your carpet mats, ISOFIX for the child seats, with 2 seats, 2 seat belts, so it's a 4-seater car. You do also get a cup holder and a 12-volt socket in the back there. Nice black top to the spoiler, and then into the boot space, which is actually really good. Very good size. Split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top, and an excellent sized boot space. And there we have it. Really good looking, excellent value for money. September 2013 Beetle Design. 1.4 petrol with the 6-speed manual gearbox, 52,000 miles. Good service history, locally owned for the last 8 years. Finance is available from less than £150 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT. We're also going to be servicing the car, which will include some replacement tyres and 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Something a bit different, good looking, well looked after. Shouldn't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.